Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the lemongrass I bought today, these two plants, and I'm going to plant these ones today here. And I'm going to show you what I am going to do. So these are actually tropical plants, and they require sun, lots of sun and water, and they're pretty easy to grow. Um, uh, Probably you know that this is used in Asian food, especially in Thai food a lot, and for the tea also. It has calming property, so they use everywhere. In I know in India, I know here in the United States, everywhere people use them in the tea. I've seen in Russia also. So in many places they use it. So I'm going to plant them today. I got it, and actually you can plant them in the pot and take them indoors in the winter when you have cold winters, because they don't survive in the cold. But what I'm going to do, I will plant them in the ground because they grow faster in the ground. And in the fall, I will dig them up and take them inside. And so they can survive indoors. So I'm going to just plant them here. Now, what they need, they are like lemongrass, so they need like citrus plants soil, right? So if you have citrus plants soil, you can use that one. But if you don't, like I don't have one, so I'm going to plant anyway in the dirt. So what you need, some compost. I have, this is compost, and then I have some potting mix right here, and this is perlite. So I'm just going to mix all these three right here, like these two I'm mixing here, and then I will mix some right here in the center. I have dug the hole right here, so I'm gonna plant them together but still little apart, right, so they have room to grow. So I'm just gonna plant this here. I dumped the soil here, and I'm gonna mix it with this compost right here. So the all three types of soil, like two types of soil and the perlite, are getting mixed right here. So it is almost kind of mixed. Now I would take one of the plant out of this little pot, just squeeze it right here. I can see the roots, so you can just straighten up, and if they break, it's still no problem, they're fine. So you just do it like this. It came whole plant right here in my hands. So first thing I'm going to do, I could have done in the planter also. I'm just going to clean all these dry um, leaves right here, right? Whatever you find, or you can do later also, not a problem. Once they start growing, you can do it. And I think I will do once they start growing. Once they get their roots in the dirt, they're established, then I can cut it, or you can cut at any time. Now you just loosen up the roots a little bit, right? Don't cut or break if your plant is a small, right? So they don't get shock when you're planting them. So just dig a little hole right here, here, right, like this, and just put the soil on this. And same time I'm going to do other one also, as I said, that I'm going to put them together but it's still a little bit apart. And I'm going to take this one out in the same way. Right here is here, and this one too. Loosen up the roots a little, just like this, not too much. It has their own soil, and make a little hole here and put it right here, right here, and secure your plant a little bit down here, and pull all the dirt, like the one you have mixed, that one you can just put like this, secure. So your plant has all that dirt, the one we made it especially for this plant here. And after this, we're going to just water them, and this will start growing. Once we water them here, we need to water them pretty frequently. They like rain, so we do have lots of rain here, and keep watering. If you can do every day, it's fine. If it gets a lot of sun, it dries out. But actually, just don't make it like soggy. Like, don't, just let it dry a little bit and then water it next time. It's not like they have water and you just pour more water in it. Don't do that. And just keep watering, fertilize them every 2 weeks. Um, and they will just grow for you. And then you keep trimming the lower leaves, the dry one, and you can trim the top part also. And whenever you are harvesting them, if you just need leaves, just cut the leaves, and you can cut the stem also. And when you're cutting the stem, cut down here from the ground, like right from here, right, all the way down, and it will grow new shoots up here. I think that's all. This is pretty easy to grow, and it's short lived when we have cold winters here. So if you want to take indoors, you can. Otherwise, you will have to plant them next year. If you need them, you plant every year. So that's all from me. I'm just going to water it right here. And when you're watering, just hold the plant. Don't water over the plant because the roots are still not in the ground. Although the pot was quite nice here. So your leaves just don't fall down because they're not strong enough yet. Once they start growing, they have roots in the ground, they would be stronger. But that's why I just watered on the sides, and you do the same thing too. Water on the sides and water every day, and that's all for these ones. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you like the information, and I'll see you some other time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.